This better be a good video.
You're not helping.
Action. Get this action photo.
Yeah, the fries going in. I'll get that fire extinguisher.
Ready. Not too many in there.
No, just do two batches. Look at this. Well, because they gotta cook.
And there's a few batches to do.
Yep. You can just keep them warm in the oven too, like go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Yep. After you eat.
That looks better than Pick and Save pre-made burgers.
Okay, what's going on out here?
Buying him a grilling set. That's what's going on.
What's going on out here, guys?
Big long tongs. Yeah, that's what I'm talking
Why
about.
did you?
I got you, Pops. I swore somebody bought that for you. You probably sold it at the rummage.
I didn't sell it. I didn't sell it, man. I'm putting it down.
Shh, you're on video.
We made $100 for it.
You just
Spent it already. God, I need some new tongs.
This poor guy's struggling.
Looks good.
You can't get 9 burgers on here.
I can too.
No, we're not. All right, what's going on, Pauline?
I'm putting these burgers on the grill. Mushroom, cheddar.
Ooh. Wow, those look amazing.
Yep, French onion soup mix in there.
All right.
Okay. Closing time.
Could have put them on.
Quarter turn.
I don't want them.
There you go. Hell yeah. Get that cheese ready. Oh, hold on.
Oh yeah.
She's gonna get the cheese ready. Can I help? They're shrinking.
Ah shit.
Damn.
Get the buns ready.
Let me get this drink ready. Oh.
Burger cooking part 2. Action. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Cheesy.
Yep. Okay. Oh, is that nice? Look at that.
It's perfect.
Oh, look at this.